So I already have my face moisturized. I went ahead to also apply my Huda Beauty water jelly primer as well, and we're just going to go ahead and start this makeup. I don't know if I want to start with my face or do I want to start with my eyes. Probably will start with my face makeup first just to get that out of the way. I already did my brows off camera, just lightly fill them in. I don't do my face the same way as Tamara Renaye, in the sense that sometimes I just like go ahead and sometimes I underpaint, and sometimes I do the regular apply foundation then concealer, you know, the way that some people think is the right way. I personally don't think that there's a right way to wear makeup. I do whatever I feel like depending on the day. But I think for today I probably would go ahead and underpaint. I feel like I'm in an underpainting mood today. Hopefully this turns out well. I'm just going to be I know I'm doing a recreation of Tamara Renaye's everyday go-to look, but I am mostly concentrating on her eye look because I have the exact same palette, and it's like for the, you know, it's like a regular everyday palette, but I haven't used it as much, and you know, seeing that I like the way it looked on her, so I want to like create it and modify it to fit me. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. The brush I'm going to be using is this Juvias place. It's the Juvias place. Do they have like a name? This is their foundation brush. I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their luminous foundation. My mirror is on my lap, so if you guys see me looking down, that's why I'm looking down. I'm just praying to the stars I don't stain this shirt, but I just said I was going to start on that painting and I applied my foundation first. So what the I guess today is a regular makeup application process. So for today I'm going to be using the Morphe. I don't remember. I have two Morphe concealers. Their older concealer, and then I also have the Hide and Peak concealer, the concealer. I'm first going to be going underneath. I think this one is lighter. Okay, so I'll go with the Hide and Peak concealer. I have the shade Peak of Tawny, and for the regular concealer, I don't remember the name, but if I have like again, I don't remember the name, but every product that I am using was going to be in the description box, so please make sure that you check that out. This one is the color C3.55. And then I'm going to go ahead with the this is darker concealer, and then I'm going to go ahead with the lighter one and apply it like right here. So I'm just going to be blending that out. I'm just going to be using this Juvia shade Katsina foundation stick to contour. I'm going to go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Kunafa. And I like this powder because it's extremely soft. It just melts into your skin when you apply it. If you have not watched my best setting powders video, It's my last video that it's my most recent video. If you haven't watched that, please go ahead and watch that. I'm going to put a link somewhere up in the video for you to go and watch it if you're a setting powder fanatic like I am. I'm going to be setting it with this Morphe brush. This is the M438 brush. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using the colored Raine. This is their bronzer, and this is the shade Cinna. Let's put like a lighter color in the like lid space. To make that like the eyeshadows pop even more. She used the Nubian palette. I think that's their first ever palette by Juvias Place, and she went into this beautiful shade right here and this shade. We're going to do that here. So I'm just using that chocolate shade that I showed you guys from the palette to just blend out the edges so that everything will come together. And so far it's looking so good, you guys. I guess it was watching her video now. She does say it's a peachish look, it's a peachish color. I don't know, for some reason it looked more like beige, perfect nude on her, like a natural nude on her skin. Mine, I feel like because I'm darker, you can see the contrast, and the peach is like more visible. I went off camera to just apply mascara, and I'm going to be using this Morphe 3503 palette. I think, yeah, 3503 palette, and I'm going into this shade right here for like my inner corner highlights. I think this is, I don't have the shade she used. So now for lips, I wanted to use this Sephora the molasses lip liner, but I couldn't find it, so I'm going to be using the Juvias Place Katsina stick foundation, the one that I use to contour. This color to it, but I was going for a bit more nude. I'm just going to apply this Stay Satin. It says it's Rosetta liquid. What? Take a Chill Pill. This is by Rimmel London, and this is their Stay Satin liquid lip color, and this is in the shade Take a Chill Pill. This is in the shade Take a Chill Pill. I'll go in with the NYX Cosmetics Fortune Cookie Gloss. I'll make it lighter. like this look is giving everything that it said it was supposed to give. Like I feel like I look really good. Tamara Renaye definitely knows her stuff. I will be wearing this everyday makeup look because it looks good on me, period. Because I just love it that much. Let me know what you guys think about the look. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.